Finch, and welcome to my morning routine. So I titled this video, The Morning Routine of a Successful Entrepreneur, not because I necessarily view myself as that, but because that is something that I continue to aspire to be. And I've been doing a ton of research, watching a lot of videos on morning rituals and morning routines that successful CEOs and millionaires and billionaires do. And I've been really trying to incorporate more of a morning ritual into my daily life because it really can help with your overall productivity, getting in the right mind space, and just having the best possible day every single day. I am an entrepreneur and I have gotten to a point where I work for myself, which is awesome, but I'm always pushing to do more, be more successful, make more money, be more happy. So I've really wanted to incorporate that into my life and see how it translates into my success and my happiness and my wealth. So that's what I'm trying to do. So basically what I'm going to be showing you now is my ideal morning ritual that I'm going to start now, and hopefully this really starts getting me on track. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what your morning ritual is, if you have one, a routine or a ritual. And you guys, let's get started. So the first thing that I do is try to wake up around the same time every day. This is a huge struggle for me, but I'm really trying to do it. And I drink a bunch of water right when I wake up because you're the most dehydrated right after you wake up. And it really just helps you start to get energized for the day. And the next thing I do is make my bed. This is something that I've been really trying to do every single morning. It's more of a self-discipline thing, just like telling myself I have to make my bed, even if I don't want to. And it also just makes me a lot less stressed out. So then I'm trying a new thing, which is meditating for 30 minutes. This is really hard because I'm super ADD, so it's really hard to focus, but I've been using the Headspace app. I really just try to use this time to calm my head down, clear my mind, and just put any negative energy or fear or worry out of my head. I'm also in the process of making a vision board. So this is where I'm really going to start visualizing all of those things on my vision board, all of those things that I want to manifest into my life. And then I write in my 5-minute journal. It really does only take 5 minutes, but a lot of successful CEOs and entrepreneurs write down things they're grateful for every day. I think it just puts them in a really positive mindset. It just makes them very optimistic about life. And so I've started to do this to just really see how it affects me. And there's a lot to be grateful for. And I think that once you express that outwardly, that is the kind of stuff that you attract more of into your life. So then I just wash my face and brush my teeth, the usual thing, you know. Really riveting, but really important at the same time. And it's funny, I already feel like I did so much, and I haven't. So next it is time to get dressed. Here I'm going through some new clothes that I got from Urban Outfitters. They're really cute. Side note, if you guys are interested in any of the clothes, I have links down below. I just got them from Urban. Thanks, Urban. Thanks, Magic Links, for sending them. And I am going to try to go to the gym most mornings, but if I don't, like today I couldn't, then I'll have to use the desk bike. Also, lots of CEOs wear similar clothing every day. I have learned that, and it's mostly so that they don't suffer from decision fatigue. Basically, our brains only have the capacity and energy to make so many decisions. So the thought is to save it for the important ones and not like use it on just what you're wearing. Personally, I think that how I dress affects how I feel and how I present myself to clients and people I work with, etc. So I really care about what I wear. I like to save the decision making when it comes to breakfast. I pretty much eat the same breakfast every single day: coffee, waffles, and like maybe a smoothie. So yeah, and then basically it's time to work for the day. And Janine just got this amazing little like bike desk. I go right to my planner, which I planned out my day the night before. So I do exactly what's in my planner. I try super hard not to divert from that. I made an entire video about how to plan a successful day, so I will link that below. But basically the rest of the day, I'm just doing work, sticking to my schedule, and I already feel like after this morning ritual, I'm just ready to go, and it's awesome. That's it for this video, you guys. Remember, sign up for my email newsletter if you haven't already, and if you want to. I'm going to be giving lots of freebies away, worksheets and checklists and infographics on stuff like this, just little inspirational things to help guide you through your days and your lives. So if you guys want to sign up for that, the link will be down below. I highly recommend, but like, don't do it if you don't want to. I'm not gonna spam you. I'm not gonna give away any of your information. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.